Right, doing it again, waypoint mission, see what it does. It's tricky because a lot of trees about. As soon as it gets into obstacle avoidance, it starts bleeping, it senses something that it's worried about, and then your waypoint stops. So I've had to take it higher than I wanted, so I wanted to keep it nice and low. But since I can't, then you know, you've got to do what you can. So we're above Pontefract Valley Gardens, it's a nice bright day, not too cold, a little bit of a breeze, but not too much. So I thought I'd just get some stock footage around Valley Gardens. It's quite good, but with obstacle avoidance again, we're bleeping all the time when you're doing the screen recording and recording audio as well. And you really struggle because it's just bleep, 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 bleep all the time. So it gets a bit annoying. So we're on waypoint 6 of 8. But it's still going strong. Yeah, looks okay. Looks a tidy picture. Good resolution, 4K 30. Frames per second. It's a bit strange on ISO, I've had to bump it up to 200 because 100 were too low, too dark, underexposed, so I think what that might have been is the actual NV filter that I've got on, which is an NV64 I think, which might be too strong. Could have possibly done with using 32. But we'll see anyway, in editing we'll have a look. I can always brighten it up, it's D-Log M, so
return to home.
Here we go, return to home. We'll record this so we can see what's happening. It's 242 metres away. It's 32, 34, 36, 37, 38 metres height from takeoff. So it's not too high. But it's coming back tidy. Look down a little bit. And see where it's gonna land, as it should bring it right down to where I am.
Landing.
But I can't see anywhere, so I'm gonna take it off. Return to home.